two. Hello, everybody. Thank you for coming back. This is the second part of the Philippines meetings. Today's Monday, 14th of October, 2024. It's almost in a month. We have a very, very strong possibility of changing. We are already changing the world fundamentally. So from the foundations, from the fundamentals, we're changing it forever. And it's happening now, Kuyas and Dates. So I don't know, sister, if also you want to ask if any of the participants had something that they want to share or that they would like to ask.
Ayun. Kung sino po yung mayroong concerns or may gustong itanong, pwede po kahit in Tagalog. Sige po. Pa-unmute na lang po kung sino man gustong magsalita para magtanong.
Sister, I have
Yes.
a question.
Yeah, Macy.
Go ahead, Sister Macy. Ano po yon?
Sister, sa nakikita ko po, Sister Mariana, hello, good evening.
Hi, Macy.
Yes. Meron po akong tanong ba dahil nakikita ko po sa sa part of Visayas, we're in Balamban, right? So, nakikita ko po si Sister Lodi together with the team na nagkaroon sila doon kasi marami na po akong na-register doon. So, kasi my previous address is there in Abukayan, Pundol, Balamban. So, ko lang po na kung makonect ko yung mga relatives, friends, nakikita ko po kanina sino yung yung in charge doon na pwedeng malapitan doon kasi nandito po ako sa Davao.
Si Sister Cecil Selma and si Sister Anselma. Yan po yung dalawa sa taga-Balanban po.
Okay po. Kasi po, taga Balamban po ako dati. Tapos, marami akong doon na registered. So, ikukunik ko yung iba doon para yung marami tayong matulungan na mai-registered natin doon.
Yes.
Kasi nakikita ko na nasa Abukaya na po sila, Arpili, marami din akong doon na ipasok po.
Opo. Tulong-tulong po sila doon sa area nila at yung isa po doon mayroong anak na nag-encode. Actually, dalawa. Dalawa pong kabataan yung tumutulong na sa atin sa pag-encode.
Okay po. Para makunik ko lang doon sila. Doon para, kasi yung iba po hindi naniniwala. So, since nakikita ko na may in-charge na doon sa Balamban part, so ikukunik ko sila doon.
Opo. Sa Balanban po tayo nakapag-meeting ng mayroong 215 attendees.
Okay.
Last week.
Dami.
Opo. Nakakatuwa
Madagdagan
po.
Okay po. Yun lang po.
Okay. Sige po. Iko-connect ko po kayo with Sister Anselma and Sister Cecil from Balamban. Sige po.
Okay po, sis. Thank you.
Nice trilogy. Anybody else?
Sino ba po ang gusto magtanong? About Ascension, about GPMS. Kasi bukod po dito sa GPMS, meron pa pong nangyayari behind na hindi po natin maintindihan ng karaniwang tao kung ano yung ating mga nararamdaman na ascension symptoms, tapos bakit parang puro kaguluhan yung nakikita natin sa ating paligid, sa buong mundo, bakit parang walang pag-asa yung ating visualize na magiging future, pero nandito tayo, nagkakaisa tayo na i-manifest natin yung divine plan. Kung anyone po na gustong magtanong for clarification or anything po na gusto ninyong malaman.
Hello, sister. Magandang gabi po.
Sige po,
Annedina.
Sister Annedina.
Bakit wala si Sister Miguelita? Hindi siya nakapasok.
Wala nga po, hindi ko po nakita. So, share ko lang po, isa po ito sa common or naging kadalasang katanungan nung nandun po ako sa Cebu. Inaalam po nila kung papaano or saan manggagaling ang pera na ipamimigay, bakit daw ganoon kadami, kaya daw ba talaga na mabigyan ang lahat sa buong mundo. Ganito po, ang pera po kasi ay iniimprenta. Kahit po sa kasalukuyang sistema sa mga bangko, iniimprenta po yan. Isang kapirasong papel na may design at may pirma na nakalagay doon kung ano yung halaga noong papel na yon. So, ganun din po yung gagawin natin pag-iral ng GPMS. Pero ang dami ng iimprenta ay nakadepende po sa dami rin ng populasyon. Kung ilan karami po ang tao sa buong mundo, ganun kadami po ang perang iimprenta. Hindi po ang dami ng ginto na sinasabi ng kasalukuyang sistema na yun ang kanilang basihan, ng kanilang iniimprenta. Kaya merong bansang maraming ginto, so marami silang pera. May bansa na maunti ang ginto, konti ang kanilang pera. Ngayon, ang sinasabi po natin sa GPMS, lahat po ay bibigyan. Kaya hanggat hindi po nabibigyan ang lahat, hindi po titigil ng pag-iimprenta ng pera at ng pagpapamigay sa lahat. Yun po ang ating pinagkakaisahan. Yun po ang plano kung paano magiging masagana, abundant ang pamumuhay ng sangkatauhan. Ngayon, ang distribution center kung saan po iyan i-claim, doon pa din po sa mga bangko, sa mga distribution center na ginagamit sa kasalukuyan, doon pa rin po. Lamang ang pagkakaiba, yung proseso, tayo na po yung masusunod. Proseso na paiiralin ng GPMS. Yun po yung kaibahan. Hindi na po limitado kagaya ng nangyayari ngayon. Limitado ang paglalabas. Pagdating po ng GPMS, ilalabas ang dapat na maklaim ng bawat isa. Ganun na po ang mangyayari.
Sister, maraming nagtanong. Sa ganung kalaking pera, totoo ba kaya yon? Sabi nila, hindi ako maniwala. Totoo kaya yon? Ang laki naman yan. Ko, sige, hintayin lang natin. Kasi sabi nila, implementation is November 15. Kaya, hintay lang. Maraming hindi naniwala, pero kami, sinasabi namin, huwag kayong mag-negative.
Tama po.
Sabi ni Sister, na yan. Hintayin lang natin ang November 15. Kasi
Apo.
yan ang sabi ni Sister Lodi.
Apo. Kasi po nahirate o nasanay tayo doon sa kasabihan na to see is to believe. Kapag nakita ko, kapag may ebidensya, maniniwala ako. So ngayon po, hindi na po ganoon. Ngayon po, kailangan believe and manifest. Paniwalaan natin, ramdaman natin, asahan natin, at mangyayari sa realidad natin. Yun na po ngayon. Papalitan natin yung lumang programming na inilagay sa ating mga kaisipan. Bago na pong consciousness, bagong awareness na po ang ating makakasanayan. Believe and manifest. Paniwalaan mo at magiging totoo.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes po.
Mama, yun, tatanong ko lang kasi first time ko lang po dito makarinig
Sige
dito.
po.
Ano nga po ito? Anong ibig sabihin ng GPMS?
Global People's Monetary System. So, paraan ng pananalapi or sistema ng pananalapi ng mga tao or sangkatauhan sa buong mundo.
Okay, at saka isa po yung tulad sa sabi niyo pa, ang gagawin, basta lang ipiprint yung pera. So, ibig sabihin kasi, di ba, sa atin,
Apo.
ika nga, ang pagkakaalam ko lang po, di ba, kung sino yung pinayagan po ba itong grupo na to na basta lang tayo magpiprint? Ganun po ba 'yon?
Hindi po. Ang GPMS po, kagaya ng nasabi ko,
Yes.
ay isang sistema. Na tayo ngayon sa phase 1, ito po yung global referendum kung saan iniipon po natin ang karamihan or majority ng mga pumapayag para i-implement ang GPMS, yung sistema ng Global People's Monetary System, paiiralin po ng nagkakaisang mayorya ng populasyon ng buong mundo. So, alam naman po natin na kapag election, hindi naman po yan ay lahat ng populasyon ay nakakaboto. Merong age bracket po ng botante. At kahit botante ka, hindi ka naman din lagi na nakakaboto. So, majority ang atin pong iniipon sa ngayon. At kapag ang majority po ay nagkaisa, alam naman natin, majority ang nasusunod. So, sa pagkakasundo ng majority na yan, na ang GPMS Divine Plan ay maipatupad, hindi na po yung sistemang umiiral ang susundin ng mga tao sa buong mundo na nagkaisa para sa implementation ng GPMS. So, lumang sistema versus bagong sistema ng GPMS. Yun po yung global referendum na ginagawa ngayon sa website
Okay,
po
ma'am.
ng
Yes,
GPMS.
ma'am, ito yung sunod kong tanong. So, anong ibig sabihin para yung bang halimbawa ito, yung sa narinig ko ngayon, so magi-start sa November 15. So, ano po yung pagbabasihan po ninyo regarding dito?
Nasa website po ng GPMS ang track progress, yun po yung counter o yun po yung total na bilang ng mga tao na nagko-consent or nag-a-agree na ang Divine Plan ay mai-implement. So by November 15, yan po yung itinakda or sinasabi ng Prime Source Creator through Rick Jewers na GPMS founder po. November 15, yan na po yung petsa kung saan ang 3 billion ng global population ay magkakaisa para ma-implement ang GPMS.
So, alibaba, ito lang pa, actually, pasensya na po kung medyo na magiging matanong tayo.
Opo.
Kasi nga, first time ko po ito narinig. Then, yun na nga po, kung ibig paano po natin kukolek itong 3 billion people na to agree?
Ito pong ginagawa ng team ng Pilipinas ngayon. Ito pong mga nakakaalam, ito pong mga kasama natin ngayon dito sa Zoom meeting na ito, sila po ay mga volunteers na nakita po nila ang layunin ng GPMS, kaya tumutulong po sila ngayon dahil alam natin na hindi naman lahat ay merong gadgets or merong internet service sa mga lugar na kinalalagyan nila. Kaya meron pong mga nagbo-volunteer na maka-reach out or makapag-share, makakausap sa mga tao na alam nila na nakakaranas na ng hindi maganda or hindi maayos na pamumuhay. Sila po yung mga nasa grassroots. Yan po ang
Yeah.
mga kababayan natin na alam natin na gustong-gusto na ng pagbabago sa kanilang mga pamumuhay. So, dahil wala nga po silang kakayahan na sila mismo ay mag-register sa website, marami pong
Okay, ma'am.
tumutulong. Ito pong grupo na ito, itong team na
Regarding nga
ito.
dyan, halimbawa, ano pagbabasihan po natin na maano lahat po, ma-accommodate?
Ma-accommodate, ibig mo pong sabihin ay papaano masisigurado, matitiyak na ang 3 bilyon ay makakapag-register or makaka-agree
Yes.
sa GPMS. Ayan po. Kung narinig mo po kanina ang binabanggit ni Sister Mariana, meron pong mga pangyayari behind na may kinalaman sa energetics. Kanina po binanggit niya yung mga pagyanig, paglindol sa paligid ng Pilipinas. Yan po ay isang halimbawa na ang energy na tinutukoy behind GPMS na may kinalaman po sa planetary ascension, sa pagbabago ng mundo mismo, ang enerhiya or energy frequency vibration po ng planet ay tumutulong din kaagapay ng frequency energy vibration ng bawat isa at ng lahat, all of humanity, para po tayo ay mag-align. Mag-align
ma'am,
or
ganito.
magkaisa.
Magkaisa. Ano pa po yung ano, like ito, first time ko nga po ito ngayon. So ano po yung dito, kami halimbawa, kami isang member, ano po yung mga susunod namin gagawin?
Habang may panahon pa po tayo bago mag-November 15, share lang po sa Facebook, sa social media, or sa mga kapitbahay, sa pamilya. Lahat po ng po pwede na ma-share or mapagbalitaan. Lalo na po doon sa mayroong mga organisasyon or doon po sa mga grupo ng ating mga katutubo, mga kababayan na nasa mga mga indigenous groups. Iyan po. Kasali po sila dito. So po pwede po na kung mayroon kayong mga kakilala sa kanila, ma-share po ito.
So every para ba yung bang para sumali, how many days to mayroon kayong submitting like this in a week? How many para yung maka-attend? Paano po?
Ito pong Zoom meeting natin naka-schedule once a month. So unang Lunes po ng buwan. Nagkataon lamang po last Monday, hindi po kami available, nasa Cebu po ako. So ayun po ginawa, second Monday na po. Pero anytime po na merong gustong magtanong, gustong mag-call through Messenger or Telegram, pwede po, available po ako. Ganon din po ang ating founder, si Rick Jewers, and co-founder si Lee Madway. Available po sila na sumagot sa mga katanungan, mga concerns.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Para sa akin nga, ito na lang muna. Kasi baka may gusto magtanong sa iba. Thank you very
Sige
much po.
Dami mong
Sige
tanong.
po. Opo. Pwede mo po akong makausap sa Messenger, Lodi Raimundo or Crystal Legaspi po.
Bisitahin mo sa website, sir.
Pwede din po.
Sir,
Opo.
ito nga,
Mismong
ito nga
website.
Liba po, kaya nga dito, binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon, may karapatan tayo
Dami
magtanong,
ng
di
tanong
po
mo.
ba?
Bisahin mo website
Yes
mo.
po, tama po. Tama po.
Ako, ma'am.
Sino pa po ang gusto magtanong?
Ma'am,
Sige
ma'am.
po, Brother Arturo. Yes
Yung
po.
sinabi mong 3 billion, ma'am.
Opo.
Pag hindi tayo umabot sa November 15, hindi matuloy yung implementation.
Aabot
Ano
po.
yun?
Aabot
Sa
po.
November 15.
Aabot po.
Tanong ko lang yan, ma'am. Tanong ko
Yun
lang
pong
yan.
petsa
Ayun,
kasi
thank you.
na yun ang nagbigay na po noon isang ating prime source creator. Siya po yung nagtakda. So, kumbaga sa propesiya, may petsa pong ibinigay.
Sige, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
And also,
Opo.
I see it, Arturo, as
Yes.
it's like the most probable thing that will happen if we do what we are called to do. So the date is set that universally, this date, this can happen. But if I just stay in bed like this, it won't. It's not that it will magically happen, but it's kind of saying, if you continue the hard work, there's a very, very big possibility that we implement GPMS on the 15th. But that idea makes us not only trust ourselves, but also start to, I will say the theme of October is no distractions. Try to discern what is distracting you from the right path. Because maybe you say the things that Lodi was saying previously, if I know somebody, I don't know, in Davao that he has, I don't know, a family of 20 and they know some datus, whatever, I would not go to work to go to Cebu and say, no, I cannot work this week, to do what my heart wants to do and to share and to get more consents and talk about GPMS, because that's what makes my heart, beam. We're talking about hope. We're talking about a truly moral, healthy, harmonious reality for everybody. It's more important than any fear of losing this job or losing this companion, because those situations actually were making us be more in a slave position, not being able to choose. So now the universe is gonna show you many options, and we have to choose wisely from the heart, not from the mind. The mind's being taught to be scared. So it gets scared very easily, but we must not listen to it, because we know that when 2 or more come in thy name, that's when the magic happens. That's when we manifest the impossible. So our human mind can say that, oh, how can we do this? We have 250,000 now, more or less, of consents. How do we get to 3 million in 1 month? If we took 3 years or so to get to this point. It's like, but we're divine magic beings. We can do the impossible. So the thing is, like, against all odds, when everybody says you cannot do it, but you still say, yes, I can, you can all relate in your lives that when you put your heart and then your mind into something, you can make anything happen. And if we do it all together, that's when you'll see how powerful we truly are. We just have to get together and agree to do something, and we make it. When we say 3 billion, it's a lot. We're living in a world that virality can be reached at any moment. And when we're getting into the millions, that's when it explodes. It gets out of hand. And that's where everything happens. So for the moment, I will say, as Sister Lodi was saying before, we're moving from the see to believe to see. That's why I urge everybody, please to try not to watch the news, because the news in the television, they just put television. They're telling you what you should see. And there you see war and crimes, and they show that everything is a mess. And it's like, no, you know what? I am not a mess. My family is not a mess. My soul family is not a mess. In this now, we're all good. If we concentrate on that, we will manifest that. If we concentrate on, oh, everything is a mess, we will manifest that mess for the darkness. That's how the darkness distracts the light beings that we are, because we are creators. But if the darkness starts showing us things and starts speaking things and we believe it, we end up creating what they want. That's what happened in the old history. We were told what to believe. Now we don't believe that anymore. And now we believe first in ourselves that we can do it, and we are doing it. And we know that also we are divinely not only guided, but divinely helped, assisted. So here also, it's a little bit of the human mind will put a lot of buts, but the heart knows that we cannot do anything else
Yes.
than to share the best option, the most benevolent thing to everybody, no matter what. I've been also like lured to take some jobs with good money and but it's no. Now the motto is I cannot help one or two or three. We need to do this for everyone. So, and we have to believe that we came to do this. A lot of people now, they're feeling this. When they start in this journey and sharing GPMS and knowing all that we can do and realizing all that's being taken away from us, all that unknowingly we gave our power to others. We gave our belief to others. We said, tell me what to believe because I don't understand anything. That was the old life. Now is, no, I may not understand anything, but I understand that the system that was in place is evil and it was causing harm. And now is the time that we say no to that. We cannot tolerate it, not one more second in any aspect. So the less that we can listen to the news or believe what the newspapers say, or even your family members and people that they watch TV too much and they say, this is what's happening. You don't know that. We already know that there were news that they were showing images from past things saying this is happening now. And no, it was a disaster from years ago. They lie all the time. And we are saying no more to that. We don't want no more lies. So how do you trust? What to know, what to trust? We can start by trusting ourselves. That's what we're doing. Trusting ourselves, looking at our brothers and sisters and saying, what do you trust? No, I'm learning to trust myself. Me too. Okay, let's do this together. And this is what we're doing. The money thing, imagine that. Well, imagine, no, it's how it is. For me, it took me a while to understand that money, it's about belief. Because I believed in Argentinian money. So it has its value, supposedly, and I can use it. As soon as I get out of the country, people don't know what Argentina is. They don't know what Argentinian money is. And if I want to pay with that, they won't take it. So the money, the paper is not valuable. If not, everybody would take it. It's not. It's an illusion. So now I know that if we make our own country, that it would be the GPMS universal nation, only that our country doesn't have borders and it's all inclusive. The money that we create, it's the most powerful that ever was, because there are so many people around the world believing in a currency that wherever you go, that money is good. Why? Because we say so, and it's a majority. So with that, we pay absolutely everything. We make things right. We use the money as what it is, a tool to make things right, not to make people slave or make people sick or make people stress about the idea they have to work to get that money. Because then they make a new law that they take more money for you, and we've been living this over and over and over. They promise. That's why we don't care what they say anymore. We're taking this in our hands now. So we are making things better, and we are gonna make things happen. We already have all the skills and all the tools that we need. It's the biggest think tank ever. In this new world, we already have people that know how to do healings, how to do water pipes with whatever, how to dematerialize garbage, how to everything. Every problem that it's in the actuality has a solution already. The solution wasn't being done because the only ones that can do it is ourselves. We cannot trust in an outside authority to do it. The only authority and the only